Welcome back to Tech Talk. So out of the usual, I found out my mic is a little bit too old-fashioned, so I need an upgrade. But before we get into the video, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. So today we are going to order the world's most affordable mic. This mic has done a lot, but still. So let's get into it, guys. Studio microphone studio. This is good, but I want something better. So something with a kind of a stand. Nope, too expensive for the budget. Okay, so this is the right one. So we're adding to cart. Yeah. So guys, my laptop also has been crying for so long, and I figured out that adding a laptop stand to this won't really hurt. So we are going to get that also. So laptop stand. Okay, so we've placed the order and now we wait. So the packages are in, and I'm a little bit surprised that it even came in box for those prices. And so let's start from the laptop stand. It's not bad, nice packaging. Oh, okay. That is satisfying, right? How do we do this? Okay, yes, let me figure this out and we'll be back. Okay, so I figured it out, and you just expand like this, raise this up, and this goes here to the level you want it to go. Okay, so let's try that with my laptop. Fits perfectly. I can say money not wasted. So now let's move on to the bigger package of the day, the reason why you and I are here. This is why I love what I do, and if you also do, a sub to the channel will be superb. Okay, so let's get right into it. And yes, I'm going to give you all the satisfaction, guys. So yes, we have our manual. I don't think I'll read this anytime soon. Foam. I think this foam looks a little bit too I don't know. Yes, we have our foam. Let me get this out of the view for you guys. So we have our foam. I think for echoes we have our okay, so this is the best I could do, guys. And if you want to know how this works and you want to see how it will work, make sure you do drop a like and watch out for my next video. And I must say, actually, I really love how it looks as a now, but maybe I'll find a better place for it to be in my next video. So thank you for watching. I am Zenon, and see you next time. But before then,